Okay, so today, me and Rishi are going to be ranking the Fortnite seasons in a tier list. Okay, so let's start off.
I'd say
So where do you think season 1 would go?
Season 1's probably A because it set the foundations for the game, but it was still super laggy. Like there was a bunch of glitches and stuff like that. But compared to other seasons, it just lacked like a underlying storyline.
I guess, but it was like the OG season. Like, it set everything down. Like, it laid the foundation for what would be the game today. So it might even be S.
When you compare season 4 to season 1, season 4 had a lot more POIs, a lot more interactivity with the audience, and they had mobility.
Yeah,
season 1 had none of those.
Right. Season 2. Okay, this one, it had tilted towers. That was like a game changer.
Yeah, but again, compared to other seasons, let's say season 5 now. Season 5 had a decent amount of mobility.
I don't know, because season 2...
A big player base.
No, but...
And introduced Kevin the Cube.
Season 2, it had the first ever, actual battle pass system. And, I'd say it's S tier, but, I don't know, it might be A tier, like Borderline.
Yeah, I don't know. It seems to be.
I guess it's A?
Yeah, wait.
Okay, Season 3. I'm pretty sure this was when LTMs were first released, am I right?
Yes, LTMs.
Okay, and it had a really good battle pass, and the game was blowing up during the season. So I'd say this is definitely an S tier. Okay. Season 4.
Season 4 was definitely S tier.
This was definitely S tier. They had so many cool features, LTMs, the game was blowing up, everyone was playing. I remember this was the most fun time to play Fortnite.
Yeah.
Alright.
Season 5.
Had a cool live event, lots of mobility, and I'd say S tier?
Yes, S, definitely.
S tier. Season 6.
C.
I feel like it wasn't. I'd say
player base was dying.
That bad, B, because it wasn't dead yet. It was dying, but
it was dying a lot. I mean, hop rocks were good and stuff like that, but
yeah, shadow rocks, I guess, but
shadow.
The floating island was pretty cool, but yeah, sure, I guess.
I guess B. B.
Season 7.
Season 7.
I loved the battle pass this season. Battle pass was great. Planes were absolute trash, but the map was pretty cool. So I'd say A or B. A or B.
It's B. It's B. The live event was trash.
Okay. Season 8. Okay, so this season, the Peely skin was really... Peely and Blackheart were the only good things about the Battle Pass this season.
I mean, but the map was good too. And the live event.
I guess, yeah. The live event was good and the map was good. I guess this is... It's an A or a B?
I'd say it's an A.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Season 9. This is a B or a C.
Season 9 was... Really? I think it's an A. Season 9 had a good event. They introduced a combat shotgun, which was pretty good.
Wasn't bad, it was a good gun. The thing is, the player base was just completely dying during the season. It was basically dead.
They introduced a good map. They had lots of mobility.
They did introduce a good map and lots of mobility.
And there was a good storyline and a really good live event.
I guess, but the combat shotguns were really overpowered.
Yeah, but they nerfed them.
True. Say B.
I'd say A, but...
I don't know, because I think Season 7 was still better than this.
Really? I mean, with Season 7 with the Infinity Blade and stuff like that was crazy.
They had the Infinity Blade, but they took it out, super shortly.
Yeah, but it was still overpowered, especially in competitive.
I don't know, because I think Season 2, and like season 8, they were a lot better than season 9 in my opinion. I just didn't like the Neo Tilted or the new retail.
Really? I thought Neo Tilted was pretty good.
Really? I don't know. Like, it just didn't feel like Tilted.
I guess, okay, B.
Yeah, B. Okay. Season 10.
D. It's not even a question.
The game was completely dead. And...
Max.
Yeah, just one word. Max.
We won't even talk about it.
That's just a D. Alright, Fortnite. Okay. Chapter 2, Season 1. Okay,
I give that a C. I mean, it was better.
In the beginning of the season, it wasn't bad. But the updates, there just weren't any updates. And it was just such a boring season. So it'd either have to be a C or a D. The new map and all was pretty cool, but like...
I'll give it a C because they introduced a new map.
Yeah, a C.
But like, overall, it wasn't that fun.
Chapter 2, Season 2. Okay,
I give that a
this season? B? No, I'd say an A for sure.
How? Cool there was no LTMs. There were legit no LTMs. It got delayed at least 2 times. Like,
okay,
come on.
I think no LTMs should... I would say if it had LTMs and it wasn't delayed, it would probably be an S tier.
I don't know. I don't think so.
And the game like got completely revived because of this season.
I mean, yeah, but there were still some elements that were missing. Like mobility sucked. We only had helis and boats.
Yeah, true. Mobility did suck, but like, I don't know. I didn't think it was that bad. I'm bordering between A and B.
I'm giving it a B.
Yeah, I guess. Okay. Chapter 2, Season 3.
I'll give that an A.
An A? It might be S.
I don't think so. Like,
has all the elements of an S tier. Good mobility, good battle pass. It was fun. And yeah, like, I'd say that's S.
I don't know. I don't get the same feel from when you think about like Season 4 and Season 5, when you think about Chapter 2, Season 3, they don't really like... It's not... There's still some elements that are missing.
I don't know, because I feel like it has everything needed to be an S tier.
I still think it's A.
Yeah, I mean, I guess. I think...
I mean, what do you feel about it?
I think, like... Because, you know, it had good mobility, it had cool features and stuff, and it had a big player base. It has fun LTMs. Know. It has LTMs, like one shot came back.
One shot came back, but that was just for 14 days of summer. For 14 days of summer. Okay, yeah.
I mean, I guess, but like... Still.
And competitive is like dying. With charge shotgun being overpowered and a complete meta change.
Yeah, but meta changes are what keep the game interesting and fun.
Yeah, I know, but competitive is practically dead.
I mean, I guess, but like, still, the game is pretty fun.
I mean, there's also a bunch of sweats too. Think about it.
So like, A tier?
A tier, yeah. It's a high A tier.
Okay, but I want to make some changes to this.
Yeah, sure.
Season 7, I think it's A for sure. And Season 8, I think we should move it down. We should swap Season 7 and 8.
I thought Season 8 was a lot better. Like, the live event.
Sure, you can say the live event, but like... Still, the live event wasn't even that bad for Season 7. The Ice King event, it was pretty cool.
That was horrible. There was no proper storyline at all.
I guess.
What storyline influence did the Season 7 event have?
I mean, not much.
Nothing.
I don't know.
The Season 8 event influenced the Season 9 event when one of the things coming on the volcano hit the iceberg, and that caused the monster to come out.
Yeah, but why did the iceberg come there in the first place? Season 7.
Yeah,
I think Season 7 had a lot better map changes than Season 8.
Yeah, but with competitive, it was also way too overpowered. I don't know. Planes were weird.
No, in competitive in Season 8, everyone was just in ballers the whole game.
I guess. So you want to switch it?
Yeah, I say we switch it. And season, what is it?
Season 6 is C.
Season 6 is C. I think we can move that one down. And the only final thing I'm not sure about is season 2. I don't know if it's S or A.
I think it's A. I mean, like, it's missing elements.
But what did season 3 have that season 2 didn't?
A bigger battle pass.
Okay,
the mini live events with the meteors crashing down a couple days before season 4.
Mm-hmm.
And they started actually putting a story into it.
Yeah, I guess. True.
I still don't know about season 7. I think that's a B.
I don't know, because, like, it was a pretty cool season, like, you know?
It was a cool season, but compared to other seasons, like, do you get the same feel from Chapter 2, Season 3 that you get with Season 7? And Chapter 2 and Chapter 1? You get those? Not really, right?
Yeah, I guess, but, like, still... But the thing that season 8 is, this is when everyone was getting, like, super sweaty and the game wasn't getting as fun anymore. Season 8?
Yeah, but you could say the same for Chapter 2, Season 3.
Chapter 2, Season 3?
Yeah, it's really sweaty, so why is it A? Then we have to move it down to B, but it's an A thing.
No, but the map in Chapter 2, Season 3 is a lot better than the Season 8 map.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and it has more mobility and all that stuff, so that's why I think it should be above. Well, I don't know about more mobility, because Season 8, I think it had hoverboards.
I think Season 7 didn't. I don't know. Season 7 doesn't feel like an A.
I guess we can move it back down to B. But the battle pass during Season 7 was great. Like, it was actually one of the best battle passes.
Yep.
Okay, so is this our completed tier list?
Yep.
Okay. So, yep, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.